Hello, my name is Celine and I live in Austin, Texas. Today I will be your rainbow chef. Right now we will be making a recipe that is fun and healthy. We always need our hands clean before we start cooking, so I will just start washing my hands with warm water and soap for 30 seconds. Today we will be making mango bruschetta, which is an Italian recipe. Let's get started. First, I want to show you my mise en place, which is a French term of everything in its place. We will need mango, strawberries, mint, basil, feta cheese, lemon, and bouquet. For our recipe, we will need a chef's knife, whisk, cutting board, and a salad bowl. If you would like to have all of these amazing colorful materials, you could check out our website and buy this amazing backpack full of all of these amazing materials. We will cube the peeled mango and the strawberries and put them in the fruit bowl. Now I'm adding feta cheese. Now let's chop basil and mint and add it to the bowl. Now let's mix everything. Wow, this is awesome. Now I will cut the baguette into small rounds. Now I will put the mixture on top of each baguette round. The bruschetta looks very good and it smells delicious and it's very healthy. It's very good. It's amazing. Thank you for cooking with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Bye, Rainbow Chefs. Have a great day.